you about these students? Huh? Anyway, Miss May Kay, as I was saying about the students here, as I was saying, Miss May Kay, about these students, para kayong mga kung ano Para kayo may nakikitang hindi ko nakikita Pag nakita ko yan, makikita ninyo. Oh, wala naman akong nakikita.